Daily Quiz Challenge. Try to get 15 out of 20 today. Let's go! First question. Which country introduced the first modern passport system? Answer C. UK. What is the official capital of Ireland? Answer B. Dublin. Which country has the most people over 100 years old? Answer A. Japan. How many colors are in a rainbow? Answer C. 7. Which country has the world's cleanest air? Answer B. Iceland. What is the freezing point of water? Answer A. 0 degrees Celsius. Which country is the world's largest producer of cheese? Answer B. USA. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer B. H2O. Which country is the birthplace of karaoke? Answer C. Japan. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Answer B. Africa. Which country consumes the most beer per person? Answer A. Czech Republic. What is the official currency of Germany? Answer A. Euro. Which country has the world's largest natural harbor? Answer C. Australia. What is the primary language of the Netherlands? Answer C. Dutch. Which country is the world's top producer of blueberries? Answer A. USA. Which insect produces sweet edible honey? Answer B. Bee. Which country is famous for having over 10,000 beaches? Answer A. Australia. Which instrument has black and white keys? Answer B. Piano. In which country was the first ever ATM installed? Answer C. UK. Final question. Which shape has exactly 3 straight sides? Answer C. Triangle. That was a tough challenge. Did you get 15 out of 20? Drop your score in the comments and hit subscribe for more daily challenges.